Hi viewers, this is Ramesh and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn again application of trigonometry exercise number 12.1, question number 9 and 10. So the previous questions also I have done it. You can go to the previous videos and see that. Let's see the ninth question without wasting our time. An observer of height, an observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from a plum tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes is 45 degrees. What is the height of the plum tree? Very easy to understand. See, an observer he was observing a plum tree, ita chittu. Okay, a plum tree with an angle of elevation, 45 degrees from his eyes only. Everybody will observe from his eyes only, The observer height is given here, plum tree height is given. So how to draw the net diagram of this question? Let us see. At last we need to find out the height of the plum tree here. Let's see. Here there is the observer. Suppose AB is a height of the observer. Height of the observer is given 1.8 meters. 1.8 meters. Here there is a plum tree. See, D. Here, observer. Here it is a plum tree. Here it is a plum tree. So, it is a plum tree. Then, let's see. We need to find out the complete height of this plum tree. We need to find out the complete height of this plum tree. But this observer observing from his eyes. So let's see here from here his eyes only is observes. See that? Let's draw this construction. We'll join these two and see. Here it comes 45 degrees. With the 45 degrees angle of elevation is observing the top of the plum tree. This top of the plum tree is here D. The top of the plum tree is here D. So is observing from the position observer eyes to the height of the plum tree is observing this. So we need to find out A, B, C, D, E suppose. Let's see, he is having a distance from the plum tree is also given here, that is 13.2 meters. Here 13.2 meters is away from this plum tree. This observer AB is the observer is 13.2 meters away from the plum tree, and the height of the plum tree height of the person observer is 1.8 meters. Now the complete height of the plum tree we need to find out. However, we got it here. So completely height of the plum tree here. Height of plum tree. Height of plum tree equal to here CE plus ED. This CE is equal to AB actually. CE is equal to AB. These two both are equal. See here, it's a one rectangle formed here. Opposite sides are equal, no? So height of the observer and this CE is equal. So complete this. Plum tree is CD. The CD equal to CE plus ED. So, however, CD we know 1.8. ED we need to find out. This one we need to find. So, let us see here. For this triangle, in triangle AED. Angle E equal to 90 degrees. So, in this what we need to find out? See, here for this angle, opposite side we need to find out. This we need to find where adjacent side is given. Opposite by adjacent is tan. So tan 45 degrees we need to use because angle is 45 degrees and opposite that is ED by adjacent side that is AE. So Let us substitute that values also. Tan 45 equal to 1, no? ED we need to find by AE. AE equal to what? 13.2 meters. This 13.2 meters will transfer this side. ED equal to 13.2 meters. And we got the ED, no? Let's complete the, we find out the height of the plant tree, that is CD equal to CE plus ED, where CE equal to 1.8 meters, that is equal to the height of the observer, plus here 13.2 meters. Both we observe. Now add it now. Here 0.8 is 14, 14 and 15 meters completely. So this 15 meters is the height of the plant tree. I hope you understand this. See that clearly the picture is here. Here is observer, is completely plant tree. Is observing from his eyes with the angle of elevation 45 degrees. So this both will be equal and this both are equal. Only we need to find out this. That is 13.2 meters. Finished. Now complete height of the plant tree is here CE plus ED, that is equal to 15 meters. So let's go for the next question now. In the given figure, AC equal to 6 centimeter, AB equal to 5 centimeter and angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. Find the area of the triangle. So given a triangle here ABC. Here ABC is a triangle. In that it has given that angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. BAC in the sense always we have to take the middle one as an angle. So angle A equal to 30 degrees here. Yes. And AB equal to 5 centimeter, where AC equal to 6 centimeter. What we need to find out here? Area of this triangle. So area of triangle formula. Area of triangle formula we already know it. Area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. 1/2 into base into height. So let us see what is base and what is height. See, it is not a right angle triangle. It is not mentioned here. It is not right angle triangle. If it is here 90 degrees, we take here one of the side as a base and the other side as a height and we'll do it. We get in that also. If you take here 90 degrees, directly by finding BC here, this we take as a base and this we take as a height and we'll do it in this base and height we'll substitute and do it. How can we find out this BC? By trigonometric ratio table. But here it did not give the 90 degrees, no. Let's solve it in the other method. Let's draw one perpendicular from the B to the AC. Suppose here BD. Here BD is a perpendicular. Let us find out the what is the height of the BD. That means the height of this triangle will find out first. This height we need to find out. So how can we find out? Let's see here. For this triangle ABD, in triangle here triangle ABD, in this triangle, so here angle is given, this is 90 degrees, no? Okay. Here hypotenuse is there and here we need to find out the opposite side. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse sine. So sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite, that is the height of the triangle BD, by hypotenuse, that is AC, 5 centimeter. Sine 30 equal to 1/2. That equal to BD by 5 centimeters. Let's take this 5 centimeters this side now. 5 centimeters by 2 equal to BD. That equal to BD equal to 2.5 centimeter. That is 2.5 centimeter. Now in this triangle, in triangle ABC, the base is AC and the perpendicular line height is 2.5. That means base we got 6 centimeter and here the height we got 2.5 centimeters. Let us substitute this base and height to find out the in this formula to find out the area of triangle. area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base 6 centimeter into height 2.5 centimeter. 2 ones are 2 threes are, that equal to 3 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter. So let us multiply. 3 5s are 15, 1 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 7.5 centimeter into centimeter square. That is 7.5 centimeter square. This is area of the triangle ABC with the given measurements. I hope you understand this. With this, our 12.1 exercise is completed. 12.2 exercise will come soon. That is little difficult than this exercise. So till that time you practice this exercise 1 so that you will be perfect in the exercise number 2. So keep smiling. Bye.